Hi guys, are you wondering which one is better, Helium 10 versus Jungle Scouts? Then you have come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be doing a full comparison between Helium 10 and Jungle Scouts. We will leave a link below this video in which you can get a free trial for Helium 10 and a free plan for Jungle Scouts, so you can also try them out for yourselves to see which one you like better. So first of all, what to know about Helium 10 and Jungle Scouts? Helium 10 is an all-in-one software that consists of numerous mandatory features. It enables users to develop their Amazon-established enterprise and find profitable products. It provides features such as products and keyword study tools, analytics, and marketing functions, explores the competition, organizing the trend in style, and product listing. These features help the users to beat their competitors. It has gained its reputation as a product suite. It gives features like a Chrome extension free, which helps the users to analyze the Amazon selling data. Helium 10 provides the email mechanization method with its booster program. If you are a new user, it will supervise you properly with the support of recorded training videos. Also, you can determine the product's quality. All you have to do is compare the business targets with product suggestions. Helium 10 comes with many effective means which help you to set up a prosperous business on Amazon. Jungle Scouts is a research tool that has many uses considering businesses starting on Amazon. With the help of it, you can search for winning products on Amazon, measure sales, and analyze keywords. It has one easy to use dashboard which helps users to look after their competitors. It helps you in realizing which products is prosperous and simplest to develop your business. It enables you to prefer the appropriate term for optimizing the product listing. Also, you can analyze the PPC budget when choosing a product to start a business with. It demonstrates to you the whole history of product sales data so that you can make an effective decision. Data accuracy. Jungle Scout is the clear winner when it comes to data accuracy. It is one of the best accurate tools in this industry. Helium 10 is also a reasonable accurate tool. For the user experience, both of these tools have an intuitive user interface. Jungle Scout is much simpler to understand, whereas Helium 10 may take a little time. And for customer support and resources, for now, Jungle Scout offers better customer support than Helium 10 because their response time is much better than theirs. However, when it comes to resources, both Helium 10 and Jungle Scouts provide access to the knowledge base that can help you grow as an Amazon seller. So it's a tie between them for resources. Now for the pricing, Helium 10 comes with 5 different pricing plans. The basic plan is completely free and has no validity at all. The other 4 are premium plans and they are the starter plan $39 per month for monthly billing and $29 per month for annually billing. The platinum plan $99 per month and the diamond plan $250 per month and the elite plan $400 per month. Jungle Scouts has 3 pricing plans and they are the basic plan $49 per month, the suite plan $70 per month, and the professional plan $130 per month. You can choose to pay yearly so that you save up to 55%. The base plan of Helium 10 is cheaper than Jungle Scouts, but it does not offer many features that a beginner seller will need. At the same time, Jungle Scout's basic plan is the best option to get started. So which tool is the best? This totally depends on your requirements. If you are a professional Amazon seller and want to grow rapidly, then Helium 10 is the best choice because it offers advanced features such as PPC automation that every Amazon seller requires in the growth stage. But if you are a beginner and don't know which one to start with, then Jungle Scout is the best option. Jungle Scout is filled with all the essential features that a beginner Amazon seller requires at the very beginning. You may need to upgrade later, but starting with Jungle Scout is the right choice. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can use my link in the description, that helps a lot. Thank you so much. Hopefully this video helped you out and bye bye.